my god. Yes. The broth, it has like a very rich umami flavor. The broth just soaks right into the noodles. What's up, guys? So it's around lunchtime right now and I'm pretty hungry, so we're gonna try the Sun Noodles Ramen Miso Kit, and I'm gonna show you how to make it very delicious, and it's very easy, and you can find it in like Whole Foods or any of your local Asian food market. So let's go to it. Okay, here is what I have. I have the Miso Ramen Kit. We're gonna use 1 ramen and 1 soup base. I got 1 scallion. We're gonna use this for garnish. We got 1 egg. You can hard boil this, or I'm gonna pan fry it and make a fried egg. I got some mushroom. You can use any mushroom you got. I got some fish ball. This is a really good brand. And I got some imitation crab and seaweed. So the first step is we are gonna cut the mushrooms and clean it. Alright, I have some boiling water. What you just want to do is open your fish cakes or fish ball. Alright, I'm gonna put in 3 random balls. Okay, and next you want to basically boil it for 5 minutes. Okay, while that's going, I'm also gonna add in my mushrooms. Your miso paste, just put it in a bowl and boil some hot water. Get like 2 cups of water. Okay, our mushrooms are done. It's been about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna take out my mushrooms first and put it aside. Okay, that's aside. We can put our egg on the pan. Okay, I'm gonna put my crab stick in it. And you just wanna keep an eye on it and just count to 20 seconds and then take it out. Okay, next thing you want to do is cut your scallion. Okay, so we have our scallion. We are going to wash it. Okay. Give me a second, I'm going to flip my egg. You want to just cut the ends off and then throw it out because those are the bad parts. Okay, so I like a lot of scallion in my ramen, so we're just gonna basically just do like slices like that. Very rough. You don't have to be super perfect. So that's good. I'm not using this piece. Okay. And you want to just put it in a little bowl. Or just leave it on your cutting board. Alright, let's go cook our ramen now. Okay, I have the miso paste in here. We're gonna pour some hot water in it. So let's just test it and see how rich you want your broth. You want to just taste as you go. Alright, that's perfect for me. So around this color is perfect for me. What we are going to do is we're gonna pour our ramen in. Oh, whatever, screw that. Okay. Next is we are gonna put our fish balls one side. Lay our crab stick like that. And let's add all our mushrooms on this side. Okay. Next we have our fried egg. Just gonna like lay that like so, just like that. And then got some seaweed. Just gonna put that like right there. Let that rehydrate. And then I got my scallions. We are gonna just put them on this side. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. Alright, let's go taste test. Alright. Now it's time to eat the ramen. Alright. Let's give it a try. Yes. Let's get some egg. The broth, it has like a very rich umami flavor, and it's really rich in like it has a really deep taste in like a miso flavor. The broth just soaks right into the noodles, and you actually get like a broth in every single bite, basically, from the noodles. We also have some scallions. Let's give it a try. Very good. I would have to say, for $4 for a pack of 2 ramens, that's a good deal. Like, this is like almost as good as going out and eating ramen for like $16. For $2, I'll take it. But also for everything else, probably be like $5. Make this meal. I'll give this a 8 out of 10. This is that good. Adding your own egg. Let's try the imitation pack. Very good, very good. So that is it, guys. Very good. Miso sun noodle. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe.